Hey everybody, it's Miss Wilson. Some of you have been contacting your teachers about some of the issues you've been having with Microsoft Teams and MobyMax. So thank you for doing that because we only have the teacher view, we don't have the student view. So if there's an issue, we wouldn't know unless you let us know. So if you are experiencing any issues, this is Winston. Say hi, Winston. He's so happy to be here. Anyway, if you do have any issues though, please let us know and we can let you know what we try and figure out. Two things I wanted to make you aware of. Number one, in Microsoft Teams, whenever you complete an assignment, we need you to turn it in. So even if you did it somewhere else, like if you completed a journal entry in the notebook or if you did the homework and it sent you to another page, all we need you to do is go back in and press the turn in button in the right top hand corner. Some of you have already figured out how to do this, so you're fine. But if you haven't done that yet, please do, because it's a way for us to know that you're done and then we can start grading it. For those of you who have done the characteristics of life assignments, as far as I know, once you press turn in, it should automatically attach the document that you worked on. So for example, in part 1, we had you fill out a table of characteristics that you saw. And as far as I know, it should just automatically attach and we can see it right then and there. I haven't had any issues with it yet, but if you see any issues with that, please let us know. Number 2, in MobyMax, we need you to do 20 minutes of MobyMax every day. That's part of the bingo card assignment, okay? And if you go into MobyMax and you click on the math icon, it will automatically give you an assignment to work on. And I believe it's 16 problems. And there is a little timer icon up above that you can see how long you've been working on it. You don't have to complete the assignment in 20 minutes. That's not what we're expecting you to do. But we do expect you to do 20 minutes of MobyMax every day. But you can see how long you've been working on there. In MobyMax, though, there's not anything you ever have to turn in. We can actually, in our teacher view, we can go in and see how long you've been working on stuff and the results that you got. So you don't have to worry about having to send us anything like that. I believe that's all I have for you right now. A lot of you have gotten a head start on everything. You've already gotten your homework done. You've submitted your journal entries. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Keep it up. And thank you for being patient with us as we try and figure out all this stuff. And like I said before, if you have any other issues, please let us know so then we can fix them. Anyways, we miss you guys and we'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye.